Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 1 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 4 equals 7, 1 plus 6 equals 8, then 1 plus 1 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you find and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel. We have daily and free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So take a good look to this resolution of this logical sequence. So 1 plus 2 equals 6. How? I can write 1 plus 2 as only the digits 1 and 2, 12, and then half of it. So 12 by 2 is 6. Similarly, the digits only 1, 4, 14 and half of it equals 7. Now 1, 6, half of it 8, then this 11 and half of this is 5.5. So what replace the question mark? 5.5. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.